Hey there everyone, so as you can see on the thumbnail, I'm about to show you how to use Akulaku in Shopee. So make sure to watch until the end, and if this video will help you, please leave a like. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first of all, open your Shopee app and add the item you want to buy to your cart, and proceed to checkout. Now, when you're about to set up your payment method, here's what you need to do. Scroll to the list of options until you see the Akulaku installment. Then tap it. After that, you will be redirected to log in to your Akulaku account. Once you're logged in, you will need to choose an installment plan. For example, 6 months or even 12 months. And just confirm the payment and that's it. Your purchase is split into easy payments via Akulaku. So just make sure your Akulaku account is active, verified, and has available credit limit. Otherwise, option won't show up. So that's it. That's how you use Akulaku in Shopee to pay in installment, quick, simple, and convenient. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out.